Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript booleans. A JavaScript boolean represents one of two values, whether true or false. And in programming you will need a data type that can only have one of two values, like yes, no, on, off, true or false. And for this I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and this index.html, a very basic HTML document. Let me show you what we have in this document. Let me keep both of them side by side. That looks perfect. Now I'm gonna open our Chrome DevTools and click on this console tab. Let's come in here and type script tag, and you can use the boolean function to find out if an expression is true or false. Just come in here and type log, and here I'm gonna type boolean parenthesis 10 greater than 9 and hit save. We got true. Or you can also type in here, just remove it and hit save. We still get true. Let me increase the size of our console tab with a hotkey controller command +. Everything with a value is true. Let's come in here and type, say, let me remove it first, and I'm gonna type in here boolean parenthesis 100, hit save. We get true. Or you can type in here 3.14, hit save. We still get true. Or -15, we get true. Or you can also type in here any expression, say 20 minus 15, hit save. We still get true. Now everything without a value is false. So let's come in here and type let x equals 0 colon, and I'm gonna type in here x, hit save. We get false. Or if I change it to -0, hit save, we get false. Or if I give it an empty string, hit save, we get false. Or if we do not define this x, let me remove it, hit save, we get false. Or if I type in here false, we still get false. Or if I type in here 10 divided by, say, hello, hit save, we still get false, because this is considered as not a number. Let me type in here n, hit save, we get false. Now normally JavaScript booleans are primitive values created from literals, but booleans can also be defined as objects with keyword new. Let's come in here and type, say, x equals new boolean, and I'm gonna give here false. And now if I come in here and type x, hit save, we get boolean, and this is considered as an object. And if I come in here and type, say, type of x, sorry, let's make it off, and hit save, we get object. Or if I come in here and type let y equals false and comma y, hit save, we get, this is an object, this x is an object, and this false is primitive value. But do not create boolean objects. The new keyword complicates the code and slows down execution speed. Now if I come in here and type x equals y, hit save, we get true. But if I come in here and add another equal sign and hit save, this is false because this is a primitive data and this is an object. So both the types are different. And that ends the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.